to see you again. Welcome back to Inside Dyness Tower. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever bought an energy storage system only to find out that installing it feels like rocket science? Well, today we are showing you a truly lazy-friendly battery system, the Dyness Tower Pro. Here is our super set today. First, let's take a look at the design. It comes with a built-in Wi-Fi module for real-time monitoring and remote diagnostics. There's also an LED display that shows you live system state, and even a built-in handle that makes it easier to remove around. At the bottom, we've got adjustment sport fit, so uneven floors, not a problem. Here's a question for you. How long do you think it takes to install one Tower Pro unit? Let's do a little challenge right here on set. Yeah, you're right. Just 3 minutes. And get this, one person can do it all. The Tower Pro uses a toe-free, cable-free model design. It's literally like stacking building blocks. Just stack even model on top of each other, and they connect automatically. No cables to mix up, no tools required. It's quick, simple, and stress-free. And what about the system interface? Super intuitive. It got built-in Wi-Fi plus a dedicated mobile APP and inverter APP for real-time battery monitoring. That front-facing LED light bar is not just there for looks. It gives you live update on charging and discharging status, communication signals, any arms or falls, and your current battery associated. So, even if you are not a tech expert, you can feel totally confident using it at home. If your home's energy needs are growing, don't worry, Tower Pro's got your back. It supports up to 12 stacks in parallel, giving your energy storage from 7.68 kilowatt-hours all the way to 276.48 kilowatt-hours. And the best part, you can expand anytime based on your household needs. No worry, no charging the main controller. Just stack it up and you're good to go. It powers on automatically. Expansion shouldn't be a burden and should feel like a lifestyle upgrade. Tower Pro is not only safe, but also smart. It's built to grow up with you, a truly custom, fixed energy solution for your home. One system, fusion ready, made simple. And there's more about Tower Pro. Let's see you next time. Together with Dyness, discover your nature.